Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential details of Schedule C and Schedule C, two crucial forms for anyone navigating the world of self-employment. Whether you're a freelancer, an independent contractor, or a small business owner, understanding these forms can make a significant difference in your financial journey. Let's start with Schedule C, which is all about reporting your profit or loss from your business. If you're self-employed and earned income from your own venture, this form is your go-to. It's not just a piece of paperwork. It's a tool that helps you determine your net profit or loss. This figure is vital because it flows into your Form 1040 and triggers your self-employment tax. Plus, it allows you to claim deductions that can lower your taxable income. Here's a helpful tip from Mannoe. Keep detailed records of your receipts, mileage logs, and invoices. These documents are essential for supporting every deduction you claim, ensuring you maximize your benefits. Now, let's talk about Schedule C, which calculates the Social Security and Medicare taxes owed on your net business income. If you have $400 or more in net self-employment income, this form is necessary. It's straightforward. You take your net profit from Schedule C, multiply it by 92.35% to find your net earnings, and then apply the 15.3% self-employment tax rate. Remember, you can report half of this tax as a deduction on your Form 1040, which can ease your overall tax burden. Another tip from Mannoe: if you anticipate owing more than $1,000 in taxes, consider making quarterly estimated payments. This proactive approach can help you avoid any penalties down the line. Understanding these forms is not just about compliance. It's about empowering yourself as a business owner. By mastering Schedule C and Schedule C, you can maximize your deductions, reduce your tax liability, and build financial confidence. At Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we're here to simplify the complex, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and empowering your community. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. And if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to call us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at Mannoe. We're here to help you succeed.